friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Yeston RTX 4060 Ti CUDA GPU. So friends, this latest addition to the CUDA series, the Yeston RTX 4060 Ti features a familiar cooler design in contrast to the RTX 4060 non-Ti CUDA which offered Mini-ITX form factor. This model employs a dual-fan cooling solution and it's showcasing an eye-catching blue and purple design with its shroud resembling a cheerful animal resembling either a cat or a bear depending on one's perspective and friend regardless of a creature it resembles. This graphics card incorporates a Meow Star lighting system that bathes area behind the fans in pink light resembling a pet's eyes, ears and nose, and this adorable GPU houses an AD106 GPU with 4352 CUDA cores and 8 GB of GDDR6 memory connected via 128-bit interface, and it offers 3 HDMI ports and 1 DisplayPort, and along with dual 9cm fans and 8-pin power connector. This pad is 2.5 slot thick. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.